Hello dear all, I will show you in this video how to make an access point from the fiber optic router. This is the fiber router. This is the fiber optic router. We are doing in all over Bahrain. If anyone interested, so please contact us. The number is 66360166. You can see there is no cable fiber, but I will show you the speed of this router as access point. It's coming. Yes, exactly. Anyone interested, you want to increase your internet connection in your house, this is 30 MB speed and getting 32 Mbps in as a access point router. Thank you so much.